Hello guys, I'm heading to work now. Yeah, welcome back. So today, maybe later on when I have time, I'll be designing a few capes. That's after work in the evening, and maybe a few t-shirts. So yeah, I'll guide you step by step again on how the whole process goes. So yeah, so keep it locked. More to come of this, like sort of tutorials. I'm not sure what kind of videos they are, but yeah, I'm excited. So see you later. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, another design video courtesy Black Box. And today we're going to be customizing cups. As you can see, this, yes, I have a black one and a white one, so that's what we'll be designing today. What we'll use are obviously the cups. This I don't know what it's called, but I use it for weeding because today we'll be using vinyl. Yes, this for weeding, computer, yes, and the required software. I usually use Canva so that because it can remove vectors. So yeah, Canva is my go-to software. Scissors for cutting the vinyl. This contraption here is a heat press for, maybe I can just show you another angle of it. Okay, this is a heat press. This one comes here, the other one goes below. So yeah, that one is used to attach the vinyl to the cup. Computer, as I said, and now the main man, the vinyl plotter machine. This is what I use to plot vinyl paper with, or stickers, or any other materials that need plotting. Yes, it's from it's fairly new. I bought it not so long ago. Yes, I can't even remember the make, but I'll put it in the description. This is the paper, the vinyl paper. Today I'm going to be using the silver color. You can have, there are a variety of colors from gold, black, white, red, yellow, all colors under the sun you can get vinyl for. Yes, vinyl is so today we're not going to be using the printer. So vinyl, computer, cup, heat press, yeah, and this weeding machine. Without further ado, let's get designing. I had some preloaded what can I say, designs, so I think we'll use that instead of going the Canva way. Canva is a more multicolor kind of design software, where but since we're only using a silver vinyl, I think a more simpler design is required for this kind of demonstration. Yes, once Sign Master is open, we can go to add, to view, no, to file. Come on, file. My comp is a bit slow today. Maybe we can use Ashanti or beer. Maybe we can use Ashanti for today. Yeah, Ashanti. I think Ashanti is okay. Then we can delete what we don't need. We only need one or two. Let me say we need, yeah, I think one is enough. So delete. Also this delete. terms of centimeters, I don't know what's going on. Okay, our design is a bit big, we don't need that. With the measurements, I can say we need about, how many centimeters? I'd say 4 centimeters high and 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters wide, 3 centimeters high. So yeah, then we select do a bit of tracing so that we can get the outline. So trace, yes, trace, make sure everything is well done. I think everything is selected, then apply, accept, start the cutting process. Yeah, you always remember we are mirroring the thing. It's a bit small, I don't know why it's saying 1.9. Okay, that's 2 centimeters, that's a bit small, so you can cancel and just make sure it's a bit bigger. 4.1, perfect. I think that one can do, that one will do. Now we cut. See, yes. See, it's cutting. I don't know if you can see it well, but that's the noise it makes when it's cutting. The blade is actually here around this area. Usually takes around yeah, I think it's done already, so that was a bit fast. Okay, so put it offline. Okay, we're back, and this is the vinyl. I know right now you can't see where it has been plotted, but when I start weeding, you'll be able to see it clearly. Yes, this is the piece that I just cut from the main vinyl paper. So let's start weeding. Yeah guys, after the weeding process, this is what remains. So this is what will go here. Then we'll use the heat press to make sure it attaches, the design attaches to the cape. And that's about it. Okay, yeah, I'm actually done. As you can see, this is the heat press, the cape heat press. I had to dismantle it because previously it had the t-shirt heat press plate, but now since we are doing capes today, yeah, I had to change it. So I'm waiting for it to cool down a bit so that I can unpeel and see how it looks like, the finished product, soon. Okay, now it's the moment of truth. Let me unpeel. On that, I think it came out well. Ashanti. Yeah. think it came out pretty nice. What do you think? Yeah, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.